Hey, it's Janet, and I am here to share my obsession with email marketing. I've always focused on building my list. Every year, I have a goal of how many names and email addresses I want to add to my list. I have studied email marketing best practices for many, many years, but it was only until January of last year that I really started putting all that knowledge and all of those emails into practice to really build my business. And let me tell you something, it's working. So that combined with many, many of my clients who keep telling me, I know I need to do email marketing, but I'm not doing anything with it. I know I need to, but for whatever reason, I am not doing it. So I want to say that stops right now. I'm making it my personal mission to make sure that that stops right now. And you know how that stops? It's by taking the first step. So I want to invite you to join me for a half-day email marketing and automation Zoom workshop. In this workshop, it's a workshop. You will actually learn the best practices of email marketing and automation. Then you will put that into actual practice, creating emails and automations. So if now is the time to finally maximize on your email list, or even just build that list and learn how to maximize on it, join me at the workshop. There's a link below, or if you're following me on Instagram, there's a link in my bio. Learn more, come join me. Let's finally get that email list that you have growing and put it into action. I'll see you there.